Hello everyone. Welcome to SD Media. Today's videos will make you sit still as we will witness unexpected and shocking accidents. From terrible collisions to chaotic moments on the road. Let's see how fragile life is on the road. Here's a possible narration for your video. A dramatic chase unfolds as a female pickup truck driver refuses to comply with a police stop. It's unclear what violation led to the stop. But instead of pulling over, she speeds off, triggering a high-stakes pursuit. The pickup weaves through the road in a desperate attempt to escape. But the police stay hot on her tail. The chase reaches an intense climax when an officer's vehicle strikes the truck, causing it to nearly overturn and rendering it immobile. With the truck disabled, the police finally approach the driver and take her into custody, bringing the reckless ordeal to an end. Here's a possible narration for your video. Everyone participating in traffic should obey traffic laws and follow police instructions to avoid situations like the one mentioned above. Now, let's move on to the next situation. A car is stranded on the road, unable to move. The driver steps out and signals for help. But it seems the truck driver doesn't see him and keeps speeding toward them. It's a terrifying moment. But fortunately, the truck driver swerves just in time to avoid a potentially disastrous collision. For reasons unknown, the young man in the video used a lighter to ignite the fuel pump nozzle before fleeing the scene. Fortunately, the gas station staff acted swiftly, extinguishing the flames just in time to prevent further damage. Later, the young man was caught by the police and held fully accountable for his reckless actions. How dangerous. The truck driver lost control and skidded off the road. But fortunately, his vehicle did not overturn. The quick reflexes of the car driver saved him from a serious accident with a large truck. Did you just catch a glimpse of something speeding by? That was someone desperately trying to outrun the police in a high-speed chase. This is incredibly dangerous and could lead to a catastrophic accident if the driver makes even the slightest mistake. It's crucial to follow traffic laws and never attempt to flee when the police signal you to stop. Not only does it put your life at risk, but it endangers everyone around you as well. Two young children on an electric bike attempt to cross the road but fail to notice an approaching truck from a distance. The truck driver, in a desperate attempt to avoid a collision, swerves sharply, only to crash into another parked truck on the side of the road. Both vehicles are heavily damaged in the incident. Frightened by the chaos, the two children abandon their bike and flee the scene, leaving behind a stark reminder of the importance of road safety and vigilance. Oh, he truly is a hero. His quick observational skills allowed him to spot the vehicle from a distance, and he took an action that commands respect from all of us.
Natural gas sellers are making money, and the owners of pipeline capacity are making money. Bills are expected to stay high in the coming months, but not as shockingly high as...
Police are in hot pursuit of a car racing through the city, with the driver doing everything possible to escape. The car continuously crashes into other vehicles, blocking its path. But suddenly, as it turns a corner, it disappears from view. In that moment, the officers are left stunned, having tried to keep up, only to lose track of the car. It's a tense chase that leaves everyone wondering where the car could have gone.
هذا اكبش لحد تراه واقف. اوه الحوض. وبالخورس يو العنم منه يسوق والله ما العنم منه يسوق بسم الله عليه الله عليك يا رجال فقدم منه يسوق
عشان ما شفتهم ولا madre, su perra, puta madre.
Delta says, I forget what started, some study or other that was mostly a thought experiment was taken. Oh, really? I didn't even see the headlines about that. It's probably a while ago. I try to follow my dinosaur really closely. That's why I'm not blazing through here. Hang on. Are you guys alright? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Midway across the room. What? I called her back, Alison said. Just now. A young car off garden about 15 minutes ago. She'd fallen from her balcony.